Hi there, it's Erin again here. So you've completed your appointment and you're ready to go. Let's show you how to get back to that underground patient parking. So out the practice front door, please head left if you need to visit our pharmacy or turn right to return to the parking. Follow the signs back to the patient parking entry. Please note, you will go past the first black metal gate as this is a residential lift. At the second black metal gate, there is a patient parking sign to indicate that you are in the right place. Push through the gate and you will come to the intercom at the glass door. On the keypad, please press the number 6 and the bell icon, which will ring through to reception. Once one of our friendly staff members has unlocked the door, you will hear a click sound. Please pull the glass door and come through to the patient lift on the left-hand side. Here you can press the level B for the basement and return to your vehicle. When you drive back up the ramp to exit, the roller door will sense your vehicle and open automatically. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day and thank you for visiting us at Shire Doctors and Dentists.